Hey, man, why are you always looking at me like that?
'Cause you're always talking kind of funny.
Hey, it's not my fault my mom was a chihuahua.
Your mama was a chihuahua.
Hey, man, that's not funny. Do you want me to kick your butt?
Bring it on, tough guy. This December, these two dogs will show the world how to live a day like a dog. From the producers of MTV Cribs and A Bug's Life, A Dog's Life. Hey buddy, you better move or the maid might hit you with that rake.
Shut up, man. I'm chewing my stick.
Hey, don't think I don't see you up there, squirrel. I'm looking right at you. But I'm ignoring you. Wait till you fall in that tree. I'll be a good man.
Hey, Wolfie, man, what are you looking at?
I'm hoping for the squirrel, man. That's all I want in this life is one lousy squirrel.
That's not cool, man. You should get a life. Come back here, Twinkie. I want the green filling. Don't go away, man. I want the green filling. Oh, come on, Twinkies. Come back, man. Oh, why you gotta do this to me, man? I want the Twinkie. I want the green filling. If I get this back here, man, I'll get myself a box of Twinkies.